Hi friends, today I have come with a new job profile which is data analyst. So a data analyst is a professional who collect, analyze and interprets large volume of data to drive meaningful insight and inform decision making process within an organization. Their role involves working with various types of data such as sales figure, customer demographics, website traffic, social media metrics and more. The responsibility of data analyst typically includes data collection, gathering data from different sources including database, spreadsheets, surveys, APIs and other relevant sources. Data cleaning and processing, reviewing and organizing the data to ensure accuracy, consistency and completeness. This may involve removing duplicate entries, handling missing value and formatting data for analysis. Data analysis, applying a statistical and analytical technique to explore data, identify patterns and extract insight. This can involve using tools such as Excel, SQL, Python or R to perform data manipulation, descriptive statistics, data visualization and basic predictive modeling. Reporting and visualization, presenting data finding in a clear and concise manner through reports, dashboards, charts and graphs. Data analysts often use tools like Tableau, Power BI or Excel to create visual representation that facilitate understanding and communication of insights. Decision support, collaborating with stakeholders such as manager or executives to provide data driven insight that support strategic decision making. This may involve conducting an ad hoc analysis, creating forecasting models or design experiments to test hypotheses. Data quality and governance, ensuring data integrity, security and compliance with relevant regulations and standards. Data analysts may work closely with the data engineers or IT professionals to maintain data quality and implement data governance practice. Continuous learning and improvement, staying updated with the latest data analysis techniques, tools, and industry trends. Data analysts often engage in ongoing professional development to enhance their skills and knowledge. Overall, data analysts play a crucial role in transforming raw data into actionable information that helps organizations to optimize process, improve performance, identify opportunity, and make informed decisions. So that's all for the analyst job overview. Thanks for watching my channel. Please do like and subscribe.